My heart isn't touched by the winter's cold bite. It's bound by the frost, but it glows with its light. This ice isn't sorrow, it's part of a ride, where a long hidden vision awakens at night. Crystal stillness protects what the world cannot see, standing softly between what was taken from me. Warmth hasn't faded, it's growing inside, guarded gently by frost, like a temple of ice. A heart bound by frost is a power I own, a serene little fortress, a magic I've grown. Neither storm nor the shadows can tear me apart. There's a cold burning fire preserved in my heart. A heart bound by frost never falls to the gloom. It rises again, for it listens to winters too. This frost isn't chains, it's a shimmering line, where the fire beneath has grown patient and wise. Every crack in the ice is a sign from the night that my inner world stands undefeated in light. Keep walking alone, unafraid of the winds or the storms that have blown. For within me survives, like a long-guarded spark, a flame under ice that still brightens the dark. If the cold closes in of ancient steady light, and when spring comes to call, rising soft from the sea, this frost won't vanish, it lives inside me. A heart bound by frost keeps its radiant spark, teaching all of the world how to see through the dark. The spell has settled on the land. It bends the air and turns the hours into sand. The frozen light is drifting slowly